Good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful day here in Samoa. You can see the mountains. Here in Samoa, no one should face any poverty, and I don't see that. Everyone has trees, food around their house. Oh, look at this flower. That's Nufo. That's Nufo. It's one of the popular flower here. It's growing bigger. That's my daughter. Arrived last night with her boyfriend. So we are here at the Fiafia family lodge. Very beautiful, beautiful day. This is the best time. This is the best time to come. Palm trees everywhere. Mangoes, look, mango tree. So this is not a big lodge. It's a small. It's one of the not too small. It's just how many years now? From 2021. This place. Yeah. O le matango fie o le aso. O le manai o le aso le ai ma se vevela. Maybe in the afternoon e vevela. Ai o le ai ma ke fiala menita e au mai fafu. Oh my gosh. Ngai le aso e le vevela. E mafanga fo ngale ai. Pe ia kaui o Australia. Ma New Zealand, ile kaimini. Yeah, that's breadfruit tree. Ile o peia ile o Yesefu waka. That's sad. Ani nga sau fa pe fa skafolo. Yeah, ale wa aya. Ile maua ulu e fa ye kafo. Na le Yesefu waka ulu. La fa ko ki kilo ko a foko ma le waka. Yeah, se va anga na I need to oi. Ia. O tua I no foi le una. O le. Ia te our family. My husband's niece. Pa solo tua fale. Ia o vai moso ngi. Sau fo I fai singa lai manguele ia o kaini. Ia lua I solo te ina mata mai whaatani lo. Ia le tūla lea hanga ia tuai wanga ia pia. O oi pito lea, next door. Ia, o se tasi o whamasino o le kako whai ngā mālo Samoa. Le next door ma le vāinga le. Le uke vai kua ia ke le ka ua kunga ia. Nga ke le lope kaunga ua. For protection. Ia. A visi kule. Ngai o le aso. Ingi ke ua o aku fo ile afternoon ua vela mai apa ata mama. Ngai o le aso. Ia. Nai tama whainga ruenga umai ai. Kili nia ia. Ka avale wifi fo ilako rento. Ka ilako rento. I think pay se la limas fulu le. I'm not sure, but I came last year. It was 150 a week. Oh no, 150 a day. Yeah, con cape con I think to me it's cheaper than most rental. 150 a day. Yeah, go if I for inisi live. Yeah, onge yeah, aloi for kiki inga. Think we just go to visit some families. Kalila va for visit families. Yeah, we have no choice. Yeah. Nga lewa ya, no mango for I farkalmalo. Yeah, only because of families. This is our family owned this one, so we got no choice. We have to come to support our family. But ia ka ngoka fia sola ka ke alu ka ke e ka ke ngofo I si fo I for more experience yes easy for if I can now. But good. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Fa so ko angai live mo lau mai mo foi. Wa foi nei mea la iti ya ele io o mai I taimi o mea tele. Nya maka kula skonga it's gonna be more bigger things happening here. Yeah. E live ko ai foi a le fa pe a ole pisi. Yeah. Ai lo fast fa taimi o lo mai no mai. Yeah. Lo fast man le aso so fast. Where you go?
No, that's good.